What's going on, guys? So I'm super stoked. It's kind of late right now and I have to do a bunch of homework, so I gotta go to class. But anyway, I'm super stoked because I'm right before 2,000, like right before 2,000 followers, and this is awesome. So if you have friends and you wanna tell them about Street Culture, please do so and smash that like button / subscribe button. So I have StreetCulture.US on Instagram and on YouTube. So I haven't really put a lot of attention into YouTube. I should, especially considering that so many people like YouTube and so many people are following it for the other car channels like the Stradman, etc., etc. So anyway, what do I have going on lately? There we go. So, as you know, I have the carbon fiber steering wheel in here, and it's really, really nice. I love this carbon fiber steering wheel. I've had it in the car for, it's pretty much 2 years now, and I'm really shocked at how well it's stayed up. This is a testament to VQ Vortex. Thank you, Hassam. As always, this car is greatly increased for accessories because of it. Let me do that. Okay, cool. It just looks nicer. So I did a couple things, like I said, inside here. I've done the touch screen display, and there we go. And I put, it has, of course, a CD player and all that stuff in there, but it has Bluetooth, so it goes right into the phone, which is cool. Then I have the Nismo red ring and the GTR starter ignition switch, GTR lighting up in here. Let me see if I can turn these off. There we go. I don't know if you could see that, but these are the clear lenses. There we go. So you can see here, these are the clear lenses as opposed to the frosted ones. So that's super nice. And let me turn this off really quick. There we go. Okay. So to match the carbon fiber steering wheel, these switches in here I have just ordered, and they are actually at my mom's house right now because they shipped them there. These carbon switches will be in carbon fiber to match the steering wheel, which is really, really going to look nice. I'm contemplating whether or not I want to do black Alcantara in here and for seating instead of the leather that I was looking at. I think that if I went with salsa leather in here, it might be too bright. I'm not sure, but anyway, yeah. And I think it might make the car look cheesy. So black on black would be just fine. So these here are not going to be 3M stick-ons. Like you can go on eBay and you can find the 3M stick-ons. These will actually be real carbon fiber. Yeah, and it's gonna look really nice. I didn't really want the stick-on ones. I thought the stick-on ones would be really cheesy, especially considering they are cheap. They're $14 for the set, as opposed to the ones that I'm getting, which are $258 for the carbon fiber. And on that, I gotta say that it's just amazing, guys, how much carbon fiber has actually come down because of its availability now, its popularity. Everybody seems to be putting it all over their cars. And you know, the performance gains and weight gains are just, you know, second to none. But because of so many people using it on the cars and on the performance cars, and even the manufacturers getting on board, that carbon fiber has just come down so much from when it actually debuted. And you know, with the McLaren F1 originally using carbon fiber as its material for build, it's just amazing to see how far we've come since. I mean, it's just amazing. So yeah, I just want to do a quick video, guys, while I'm driving to school. And ooh, it's getting dark in here. Let's do that. There we go. Yeah, so I wanted to do a quick video because It's so nice out too, guys. I'm up in Chicago here, and it is 75 degrees out today. 75, and it's literally like, God, I think it's like 55 or 65 degrees out right now. And although that's gonna go away, it is gonna go away this week. I'm enjoying it tonight, which is why I have the 370 out. And I'm taking this out instead of my winter car. But yeah, I cannot wait till this weekend because, guys, I'm going to get those carbon fiber pieces. I don't know if I'm going to install them right now because I have so much on my plate with school and so much on my plate for my job. But yeah, I gotta tell you, I'm super excited for it. I'm super stoked. And yeah, I think next is gonna be some maintenance over the winter time, and I'm thinking of doing that guy was flying. I'm thinking of doing test pipes and whatnot to open up the flow a little bit, because I still have catalytic converters on here. I do have Nismo exhaust, guys, or I'm sorry, Nismo still in exhaust, but it's time for probably some new exhaust, something a little throatier. I don't know. I'm gonna test out the oh, look at this. We got somebody's getting pulled over. Oh, there's 2 police cars. They are definitely not having a happy day. Look at that. Yeah, this is typical up here. So anyway, long story short, I think I'll run the test pipes and see if that makes things a little bit louder. And if it does, great. If it doesn't, then yeah, we might have to definitely look at some different pipes. Armatrix makes some good pipes and good exhaust for the 370Z, and I've seen a couple of their videos and they turn out really, really nice. Yeah, for sounds. But ultimately, I kind of like the Nismo. I keep saying Nismo. I keep liking Stillen. I really do. So let me shut this off really quick, and there we go. All right, so just real quick, if I do the seats, I'm going to do some kind of black combination. This is black, and it appears to be some kind of like gray black in the center. But what I was thinking of doing is, there we go. These pieces here, they're in black leather or a vinyl leather. So these might either be Alcantara or the Salsa leather, I'm not sure, as well as the seats. But I'm thinking, I'm kind of starting to lean against getting the leather in the side pockets here as well as in the seating. And I think that, I'm just gonna get, because I could get the door sides and the pockets here, I can get those right from Nismo, because those are the Alcantara ones. And I could get these bumps here also from Nismo, and those are Alcantara as well. But the seats are going to have to come from an independent manufacturer, and they're going to have to do, you know, the reskinning of these. Because don't get me wrong, the cloth is nice, the cloth is fine, but it's wearing out, and it's getting sun bleached, I guess you can say, in some places. So from exposure, I don't know, we'll have to see. And then I was looking at this here, they have leather covers for here, or Alcantara covers for here. You remove the top piece here and you take this off and you put an Alcantara one in there, and then it'll have the red stitching. I think that'll be really nice, but I'm not sure. We'll see for now. So that being said, guys, that's where I'm kind of at right now. I'm taking care of a bunch of things financially. I'm aligning my financial portfolio for not only a mega buy for a car, but also real estate, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, over the winter time, I just plan on doing little things here and there. I'm not planning on doing everything crazy. I have to finish off the boat project, and that's coming along really nicely for next summer, guys. And yeah, so that's where I'm at. I'm sorry I look so tired and run down, but with work and everything, you know how it is. So yeah, that's where we're at, and I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you tell your friends about us. I'm trying to grow Street Culture. I haven't put much time into it, really. I could be doing better, but with work being full-time, school being full-time, and everything else that's been throwing itself at me, it's been kind of crazy. So it's been a ride. That being said, I appreciate you guys. make sure you smash that subscribe button, like button, and follow over on my Instagram. So I will see you guys on the road.